Let's see. पिंकी,
हाँ मम्मा,
ये स्नैक्स रख रही हूँ यहाँ पे, पूरा फिनिश करना, ओके?
ओके मम्मा।
मैं थोड़ा काम निपटा के आती हूँ।
ओके। ये डॉल को भी खिलाऊंगी। खा ले, अरे खा ले ना। ये क्यों नहीं खा रही है? मम्मा,
क्या हुआ बेटा?
मम्मा देखो ना, मेरी डॉल खाना नहीं खा रही है।
अरे डॉल कैसे खाना खाएगी? ये नॉन लिविंग थिंग है।
नॉन लिविंग थिंग?
हाँ।
ये क्या होता है मम्मा?
तुम्हें जानना है लिविंग और नॉन लिविंग थिंग क्या होता है? स्कूल में से तुम्हारी मैम ने वीडियो भेजा है।
ओके।
चलो वो देखते हैं। ओके?
ओके मम्मा।
Living and non-living things. Children, as you know, the world where we live is beautiful with various kind of things. There are so many things around us like human being, animals, plants, houses, toys, birds, etc. Do you know, children? Some of the things around us are living things and some are non-living things. Now you must be thinking, what are living things and what are non-living things? Living things वो होते हैं जो ग्रो होते हैं, सांस ले सकते हैं, खाना खा सकते हैं, मूव कर सकते हैं एंड फील कर सकते हैं. लिविंग थिंग्स को एयर, वाटर एंड फूड की जरूरत होती है. लिविंग थिंग्स हैव लाइफ इन देम. लेट्स सी सम एग्जाम्पल्स. ट्रीज, बर्ड्स, एनिमल्स, प्लांट्स, ह्यूमन बींग्स, इंसेक्ट्स आर कॉल्ड लिविंग थिंग्स. इन सभी को हम लिविंग थिंग्स कहते हैं. नाउ लेट्स सी अबाउट नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. चिल्ड्रन, नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स वो होते हैं जो ग्रो नहीं हो सकते, जो ब्रीथ नहीं ले सकते, खाना नहीं खा सकते, वॉक एंड फील नहीं कर सकते. नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स डज नॉट हैव लाइफ इन देम. लेट्स सी सम एग्जाम्पल्स. फैन, वाटर, मोबाइल एंड माउंटेन. इन सभी को हम नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स कहते हैं.
Children, in your Me and My Surroundings book, open page number 5 to 52. We will do this exercise. Read with me. Write L for living things and N for non-living things. Understood, children? We have to write capital letter L for living things and N for non-living things. Okay? Which picture it is? An ice cream. So, it is living thing or non-living thing? Yes, non-living thing. So, we will write N. Okay? Now, next picture is a boy. Boy is a living thing, children. So, we will write L. Now, a plant. Plant is a living thing. So, what we will write? Yes, capital letter L. What is this? This is a saw. It is used by carpenter. So, it is non-living thing. So, we will write N. Okay. And what is this? Mobile. It is non-living thing. So, we will write N. Next is an ant. Ant is a living thing. Right, children? So, we will write L here. And this is a car. It is non-living thing. So, we will write N here. Now, this is a house. It is non-living thing, children. So, we will write N here. And what is this? A dog. Children, dog is a living thing or non-living thing? Yes, living thing. So, we will write capital letter L here. And it is a penguin. Penguin is a bird. It is a living thing, children. So, what we will write? Yes, capital letter L. And this is a ladder. Ladder is a non-living thing, children. So, what we will write? Capital letter N. And what is this? Trees. So, these are living things. So, we will write capital letter L here. Understood, children? Come to the next page. We will do this exercise also. Read it. Draw 4 living things. First of all, we will draw a tree. For that, make a curve, another curve, slanting line, and 3 curves like this. A tree. In the next box, we will draw a bird. For that, make a circle, then sleeping line, curve, slanting line, joint like this, a dot for eyes and a beak. Now make legs like this. Okay, a bird. In the next box, we will draw an ant. Circle, curve, another curve, and a little big curve. Now make legs like this, and eyes, and antenna. In the next box, we will draw a boy. Sleeping line, curve, a curve for his face, and make a cap like this, and ears, slanting line in a small circle here, eyes, nose and mouth. Now we will make his body like this, joint with sleeping line, 3 buttons, standing line. We will make his half pant. Okay, and now legs. Make hands like this. A boy. Draw 4 non-living things. So, first of all, we will draw a kite. Okay, children? For that, slanting line, another slanting line like this. We will make diamond shape, then a curve, standing line in between, a small triangle here, and a thread. Kite is a non-living thing, na children? Next we will draw a ball. You know na how to draw a ball? It's very easy. Now next we will draw envelope. For that, sleeping line, 2 standing lines like this, joined with sleeping line. From here, slanting line and another slanting line. Next we will draw a top. For that, sleeping line, slanting line, another slanting line, and here a curve, a small circle here, point here, and inside it small curves. A top. Okay, children?